Hey guys. Hey guys, it's I'm in a nail shop. I just got my eyebrows done and got my nails done. Yeah, very nice day in New York City. It's around 12:30. Yeah, I just came to get my nails done and my eyebrows. I come to this side of town once a month, so once a month or once every 3 weeks. So I got my nails done and yeah, already. I feel great. I'm gonna wash my hands and get going. Guys, I think I'm gonna stop by the food store over there and see if I think they have a farmer's market over there. They have a fruit stand. I think I'll get some fresh tomatoes for the house. Yeah.
For three?
I'll take one celery and potatoes.
One celery?
Yeah.
What else?
I think I missed my train. Oh shit. I made it. Hey guys, so I am home and this is how my nails look. Yeah. It's school pickup time. I'm making some rice for. Yeah, guys. So I'm making some rice. I'm trying to clean my freezer. I have a lot of food in my freezer. So I'm trying to clear some things. And my friend also brought me some frozen vegetables and some lentil beans and stuff like that. Like, I don't want to throw them away, so I'm giving some to my friend, and I'm gonna use some of the veggies. She gave me some mixed veggies. I'm gonna make some quick fried rice because I just wanna, and I have some shrimps. Oops, I have some shrimps in here. Yeah, and I have rice cooking here. Guys, so I am back. I just went and picked up the kids from school, and so guys, I'm making some quick fried rice. So I have the rice cooking here. Let me show you. It's almost done. Yeah, making shrimp fried rice. Yeah, guys, so I don't have white onions. White onions would have given it like a good taste, but I don't have it, so I'm using my red onions for the fried rice. That will do the job. And yeah, the kids are home from school, so yeah, I'm like, I have, guys, I thank God I am blessed. I just keep getting, like, my friend gave me like a lot of chicken. Okay, and me, I'm not throwing things. I'm not gonna, like, I didn't say no. I just took it because food are expensive. So I have them. I have like a freezer in my. You know how you have a freezer in your refrigerator, right? Underneath your refrigerator, and I have a mini freezer, and that mini freezer is full. So I'm trying to use up the chicken. yesterday, last time I made some palm nut soup, and I had added the baked chicken in the palm nut soup. So today I have the shrimps, and my one of my neighbor brought me like frozen foods. So I'm gonna give some to my friend, my coworker, and then so I'm trying to use up all my veggies and meat. So yeah, that's that's what I was so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna make some quick fried rice. We haven't eaten fried rice in a long time. So yeah. Um my husband don't know that we're having fried rice for dinner, so maybe I know he's gonna be happy when he comes home and it's fried rice. So yeah, that's what I'm cooking right now, and this is how my nails is looking. I feel good. I love it when I get my nails done. So yeah, that's done. What's not say? So later, right?
I see.
Right. Hey guys, so I'm in the middle of making the fried rice. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show all of it because my son is doing too much. I gotta stop. We have to stop and go in the bathroom. He's taking a bath. Stop. Fried rice is ready.